education success. Today we will discuss MCQs on system security. Which of the following are threats to email security? Options are A. Virus, B. Trojan, C. Spams and phishing, D. All of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. These are the threats of email security. Pretty good privacy, that is PGP, is used in options are browser security, email security, FTP security, none of the mention. Correct answer is email security. PGP is used in email security. Dash was invented by Phil Zimmermann. Options are A. IPsec, B. SSL, C. PGP, D. None of the above. Correct answer is PGP. PGP was invented by Phil Zimmermann. Dash was provides privacy, integrity, and authentication in email. Options are IPsec, SSL, PGP, none of the above. Correct answer is PGP. That is pretty good privacy. Provides privacy, integrity, authentication in email. In Dash, the cryptographic algorithms and secrets are sent with the messages. Options are IPsec, SSL, TLS, PGP. Correct answer is PGP. In PGP, the cryptographic algorithms and secrets are sent with the message. One security protocol for the email system is options are IPsec, SSL, PGP, none of the above. Correct answer is PGP. This is the one security protocol used for email system. Pretty good privacy, that is PGP system uses options are A. Public key crypto system, B. Private key crypto system, C. Both of A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is both A and B. Pretty good privacy, that is PGP system uses both public key crypto system and private key crypto system. PGP was created by options are A. Phil Zimmermann, B. Tim Berners-Lee, D. Mark Andreessen, D. Ken Thompson. Correct answer is Phil Zimmermann. PGP was created by Phil Zimmermann for email security. PGP offers dash block ciphers for message encryption. Options are A. Triple DES, B. CAST, C. IDEA, D. All of these. Correct answer is all of these. PGP offers Triple DES, CAST and IDEA block ciphers for message encryption. What is the key size allowed in PGP? Options are A. 1024 to 1056, B. 1024 to 4056, C. 1024 to 4096, D. 1024 to 2048. Correct answer is C. 1024 to 4096. It is the key size allowed in PGP. Pretty good privacy security system uses dash public key crypto system, private key crypto system, public and private key crypto system, none of the mention. Correct answer is C. Public and private key crypto system. PGP uses many encryption techniques such as privacy crypto system and also public key crypto system. SSL provides options are A. Message integrity, B. Confidentiality, C. Compression, D. All of these. Correct answer is all of these. SSL provides message integrity, confidentiality and compression. S/MIME is abbreviated as options are A. Secure Multimedia Internet Mailing Extensions, B. Secure Multipurpose Internet Mailing Extensions, C. Secure Multimedia Internet Mail Extensions and D. Secure Multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions. Correct answer is D. Secure Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension. It is the abbreviation of S/MIME. In S/MIME, MLS stands for options are A. Mailing list agent, B. Multipurpose list agent, C. Mail lock agent, D. Message link agent. Correct answer is mailing list agent. MLS stands for mailing list agent. The cryptographic algorithms used in S/MIME are options are IDEA, RC4, RSA, DES3, RC5. Correct answer is RSA-DES3. The cryptographic algorithms used in SMIME are RSA and DES3. The secure electronic transaction protocol is used for options are credit card payment, B check payment, C electronic cash payment, D payment of small amounts of internet services. Correct answer is credit card payment. The secure electronic transaction, that is the SET protocol, is used for credit card payment. In SET protocol, a customer encrypts credit card number using options are A his private key, B bank's public key, C bank's private key, D merchant's public key. Correct answer is B bank's public key. In SET protocol, a customer encrypts credit card number using bank's public key. Dash is used for hiding the payment information from the merchant. Options are A SET, B SSL, C HTTP, D TSP. Correct answer is SET. SET is used for hiding the payment information from the merchant. In SET protocol, a customer sends a purchase order using dash encrypted with his public key, B in plain text form, C encrypted using bank's public key, D using digital signature system. The correct answer is D using digital signature system. In SET protocol, a customer sends a purchase order using digital signature system. To get more videos on cyber security, kindly like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.